Hello, it's me again. I have posted on Etsy yesterday crochet pattern with this bandeau. You see with the bubble, and it's very easy. But when somebody asked me to do the video, it will be easier for them to understand how to do it. So I will start it from the this cup. If this cup is for small medium, I will make chain of 15. This is yarn from Hobby Lobby, so I think it's discontinued. I'm not sure. I don't have even label for this, but I believe you can use any cotton like this, like for example main strain. I think this was from Walmart one time, and it's 100% cotton. Doesn't say 180 yards, 3.5 millimeter, and it's weight number 4 medium, and you can use 5 millimeter. Yeah, I'm not gonna use 5 millimeter, it's gonna be loose, so I'll use smaller than this, maybe 4.5. I will try. So what we do chain of 15. Maybe this was confused how to do it. 1 2 3 4 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. We're gonna do this top with half double crochet. You see the same. So if you need bigger size, you do from 15 to 20, 17, 18, 20 size. I'm doing small size right now, and I'm doing in third chain yarn over and do each half double crochet. See, half double crochet, and all half double crochet to the end. Maybe need smaller hook, but I will try with this. Yarn over, half double crochet, yarn over, half double crochet, yarn over, half double crochet. Now, see, I did this beginning. Here, I'm going around back. So, in this, the last stitch, I'm doing one more half double crochet, chain 2, and one more half double crochet. See? And one more. So you're gonna be in the center doing 2 half double crochet, 2 change, and 2 half double crochet, and you go back to the chain. and I meet you at the end. Okay, I made first one. We will need those cup two, then we connect them together over here, and we make sides of the top. Then we do bubbles. Sides of the top you're doing with half double crochet 12 times. So I have 1 2 3 1 2 double crochet because smaller holes. Yarn over, 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Just see available holes. 10 11 and it's 12. See, I have 12 half double crochet. Then we're gonna switch to double crochet to make those like a mesh stitch, and we're gonna have those 7 double crochet. We're doing the 1 2 3, and that's gonna be 4 rows. 1 2 3, skip this stitch and doing here double crochet, chain 1, skip this stitch, double crochet, chain 1, skip, chain 1, skip stitch, chain 1, skip this stitch, chain 1, chain 1, and let's check 1 2 3 4 5 6, and at the end 7. We're not decreasing yet to make that look. We continue to repeat this 3 more rows, then we start decrease. So let's do it. 1 2 3, this is double crochet and chain, so 4 chain. We're not decreasing, so we put here, when we're gonna decrease we put here double crochet, chain, double crochet, chain, double crochet and chain, double crochet and chain, double crochet and chain, and you always can recount if you have them 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. See, this was the last one. You do chain 4 and turn and repeat again. Total of 4 rows. So we need 2 more rows. Double crochet because we did 4 chain, chain 1. This is mesh stitch. Double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 1. We do 1 more row. It's quick, that's why I don't stop video, because it's only 7 stitches, not like 107. So 1 more time. I just can quick crochet this just like that, because it's the same. And now And now we see we have half double crochet, and we have 4 this 1 2 3 4. Let's see here. This is half double crochet, 1 2 3 4. Next we have 6. You see 6 double crochet. It start to decrease because we're gonna do 4, and we're not gonna do here, we're doing next, so we decrease by 1 DC. Let's do it. Sometimes I make confused too. 1 2 3 4, like I did in previous row. I put over here, I put here, and that's how you decrease by 1 DC. Here, chain 1, see, and next same thing, same, and now we count, and we have 2 4 6. Next we increase another DC. We're gonna have 5, so we do chain 4, 3 4, 1 2 3 4. This does not count. We again skip this, would go next one to decrease. 1 2, chain 1 DC, double crochet, and the end. How many we have? We have now 5. Next we're gonna have 4, so we turn 1 2 3 4. We again skip this and go to next. And we have 4. You see, next row we're gonna have only 3. Chain 4, 1 2 3 4, skip, go to the next chain, we're gonna have 3. I think I have 3 and 3 twice, so I repeat this 3, 1 2, okay, 1 and 3. The next gonna be 2. Look, you have 2 only, so we do chain 4, and we skip this, right, like all the time we did, and I do only 2 here. Now we're gonna do 4 feet. I measure 4 feet for this tie to the end. Just 1 2 3 4, like this. 1 2 3 4, and 1 DC. 1 2 3 4, and 1 DC. And you do to the end. I stop the video until I finish this one.